Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Equipped to Learn with Ms. Jasmine. Today, we will be discussing simplifying fractions. When a fraction is simplified, that means that it is in its simplest form, or that it cannot be reduced anymore. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example to learn how to simplify. So we have 15/27. The first thing we need to do is to see if there are any factors other than 1 that both 15 and 27 can be divided into. We're specifically looking for the greatest common factor. And the greatest common factor is going to be a factor that both the numerator and the denominator have in common, and that they can be evenly divided into. That's greater than 1. So I already know what 15 and 27 can both be divided into. But just in case you're still a little shaky on your factors, let's go ahead and write them out. So let's start with 15. I know that 1 and 15 are factors, because that's 15 times 1. I also know that 3 times 5 gives me 15 as well. Now let's do 27. Of course, we have 1 and 27. Any number multiplied by itself, that's the same number. Let's see. I also know that 3 and 9 also multiply to give us a product of 27. All right, so now I have listed the factors for both of these numbers. And so it looks like 3 is a factor that they both have in common that's greater than 1. And it's also the only number that they both have in common that's greater than 1. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. And so 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. So 15/27 simplified is 5/9. Let's look at another example that has more than one common factor. We have 12 and 18ths. So again, we're going to list the factors of both. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and also 3 times 4. And they all give me the product of 12. So now let's list the factors of 18. 1 times 18, 2 times 9. And I'm putting these in order just so it's easier to help me see which number is the greatest factor. And then we have 3 times 6. And as you can see, there are several factors that these both share, but we are looking for the greatest common factor that they share. And so the greatest common factor that these numbers both share is 6. So I'm going to divide my numerator and my denominator by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So 12/18 simplified is 2/3. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you would like more tips, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.